Hello. Today is going to be day one of my Trader Rehab. Yesterday, I had a goal of not averaging down. It's been my one kryptonite, and um, that was the only goal for yesterday, whether it was green or red, not to average down. And I couldn't stop myself, so it's clearly a lack of discipline, and so I'm entering Trader Rehab to um, just put some distance between me and this downtrend of mine. Um, so today the goal is going to be just $10, and we're going to be trying to take only one trade. So probably our share size will be around 100 to 200 shares, 5 to 10 cents. And um, yeah, that's going to be the goal. We'll probably look at a dip trade after market open. But if we see something good, or like a bounce off VWAP on TBLT, maybe that'll be our one trade. Right now, I don't trust it. I've been run on it the past couple of days. So I'm gonna try and wait for a different setup. Alright, so some of the stocks on my watch list, other than TBLT, it's gonna be. There's not much else. Everything else is below VWAP, so that's the only thing. USEA needs to get back over 230. Um, Not really much else. Kind of waiting for market open. Right now we're just waiting on, we're just waiting for market open still. Need some more volatility to make my one trade worth it. Hmm. I guess I could go over the reasons why I'm going into Trader Rehab more. So this is pretty much the reason why I'm going into Trader Rehab, is this cumulative drawdown right here. Um, I'm almost down, or I was down $1,000 yesterday, from my highs, and it's pretty much unheard of for me. My previous greatest drawdown, if I go back to, let's see, my previous greatest drawdown was below 250. So everything under $250, I was able to come back and make it back. And we were climbing up, and then all of a sudden, it just fell off the face of the earth, right there. Try to climb back, back down. And that's mostly due to averaging down, because if I've tagged my trades, and if I put, like, not averaging down, God, I can't spell. Uh, Jesus Christ, it's not awake yet. If I put not averaging down, we are still at all-time highs pretty much. So the only thing that's really keeping me from shooting upwards and continuing to be profitable is averaging down. And for some reason, I can't seem to shake it, so that's why I'm entering this Trader Rehab, because I'm not able to control myself right now, and that's a problem. And there's no reason I should be sizing up if I can't control myself on lower size. So I'm going to be sizing down, looking to only take like one or two trades a day. One trade a day for the first week, at least. And just looking for a small 5 to 10 cent move to hit that goal. And it doesn't matter if we're red or green, it just matters that the overall statistics at the end of this week, 2 weeks, are profitable. It's the only thing that matters. And the only thing that matters truly is that I don't average down at all. If I'm in the red, I cut it. I just end the day red, and that's just fine. So having red days is part of trading. So this is what I would be looking at if I didn't average down. And that's very eye-opening compared to what my actual chart is way down here. All right. So, yeah, gonna be looking to not average down, gonna be taking one trade a day. And that's the game plan. TBLT just broke above its pivot right here at 55. You could enter there at 60. for the move to 70, and that would be your 10 cents. I just don't know if I think I might need to pull back first. Buyers at 60. $65. We aren't gonna buy the high day breakout. It's just not something I can guarantee. So still buyers at 60. Orders out at 56. So in at 56. Looking to buy the dip on this retest of the pre-market pivot. So in at 56. It's a dip to the retest of the pre-market pivot at 55. We also have our 9 EMA support on the 1 minute. So watching this up towards 60. Stop out just below this move up. So watching 60s, there's 63, 64. Last candle hit a high up at 66. There's 68. Got some out at 66. Another order was out at 68. Like it's reversing on us. There's 58, 9, 60, 62. Taking out the rest at 56 as it came back down. We got this, we broke up to high a day. I couldn't get filled at 68. And so, I tried selling at 63. No fill. And we came back down, and this candle's pretty much a death candle. Or at least it's a pullback candle, and I don't want to be holding for the pullback. So we got out at 57, I believe. Yeah. Let's see. It's unfortunate that it came all the way back up. Maybe I should have gave it a little bit more faith, but that candle's kind of is not the best, this candle right here. Topping gravestone doji. Alright, so I'm gonna call it here. That's my one trade on the day. Didn't hit goal. Well, I mean, we were up $10. Didn't take it all off the table. I instead sold only a quarter up there. Sold the rest pretty much break even. But to start this um, Trader Rehab, I need to enforce discipline, and I told myself I was only going to do one trade a day, so whether I hit goal or not, that is my one trade of the day. And um, yeah, I'm gonna call it here, honestly. Only thing I'd be doing is sticking around to comment on the market, but then I might be tempted to take a trade, so I'm just gonna shut down here. Up 3's 25. Alright, thank you all for watching, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow for day 2 of Trader Rehab.